So, we really gotta just wait on that.
Yep.
Did you try to figure out the passcode?
Why would I? Only one has the ability to activate the transfer.
Yeah, but I mean, you didn't just try? Oh, come on! Don't get all suspicious. I only made this shit that's gonna change the world.
You made some crappy makeup.
I made an exact replica of Nutricon's line, with a couple of very innocent formula tweaks as one requested, and still untraceable. It's called chemistry.
Hope you didn't blow up too many labs with chemistry.
Seriously? Air quotes? Who in the year 2020? You can't really think you're above me just because you're the one at the computer. You don't get that call unless you're ready to lose everything. Someone screwed you over so bad, you didn't know you could go on living. One gave you a reason, one gave you a way to fight back. And you're fucking angry, just like everybody else here. Embrace it. Don't act like you're above it. Everyone has a vice to get themselves through the day. I bet you got a good one.
Coffee.
There's no way you do what you do just off coffee. Come on. Tell me. But I have some. Coke. Weed. Come on. We have a long night ahead of us. Oxy.
Dude, I worked for 7 of the top 10 500 companies before I turned 22. While you're laying in a pool of your own vomit in an alley somewhere.
Exactly. Just thought I could offer something to take the edge off. All right? You got a lot to do on a time crunch. That's it. Adderall. I'll get my bag.
Yeah, and get that box of decorations from the van where you're at.